the current system of uploading the invoices should be changed to without any earmarking of the deadline. Like the seller should be allowed to upload the invoices on a real-time basis as and when he likes. It can be monthly, daily, weekly, whenever he feels like he can upload invoices. At the same time, buyer can view these invoices which are being uploaded by the seller on a real-time basis, and he should be allowed to accept those invoices to confirm his ITC credit. So once this ITC credit is confirmed, the invoice should get locked into the system, and the buyer should be able to get the ITC on the basis of the confirmed invoices. As soon as the buyer confirms the ITC, confirms the invoices, that ITC should be made as confirmed credit, and there should not be any charge of a provisional credit.